Hi, good morning everyone. Today is day 4 in Kashmir, Srinagar. और ठंडी लग रही है थोड़ी. So today we were planning to go to Sonmarg and all, but there was too much of traveling happening every day. So we thought, let's explore Srinagar only, local Srinagar. Hi, so we have come here to Dilshad Hotel. It is in center of Srinagar. This place is very much famous for, Kashmiri delicacy called harissa. And I have Manzoor ji with us who'll let us know how to make it. बोलिए सर जी कैसे बनता है हरीसा?
सर पहले हम डालते हैं कश्मीरी चावल को हम उबालते हैं, वो फटता है. उसके बाद हम मसाला डालते हैं जैसे दालचीनी, सौंफ, ज़ाफ़रान, मोटी इलायची, सब्ज़ इलायची. अच्छा वो ये पड़ता है सर खासतौर ज़ाफ़रान.
ओके.
तो ये मसाले पड़ते हैं. उसके बाद ये हम उबाल देते हैं. उबाल देने के बाद उसके बाद हम डालते हैं मीट.
ओके.
मीट डाल के फिर उसको बंद रखना पड़ता है 18 घंटा इसको आग जलानी होती है.
हाँ.
ये बिल्कुल स्टीम देते हैं, बंद रखते हैं जैसे प्रेशर कुकर में बंद रखते हैं, ऐसे बंद रखते हैं. 18 घंटे के बाद फिर इसको हमारी चढ़ाते हैं. फिर उसके बाद पंजाब मारते हैं, मिक्स करते हैं जैसे ग्राइंड करते हैं, ऐसे मिक्स करके फिर रोटी करते हैं.
अरे सही बात. तो अगर 18 घंटे अगर इसको लगते हैं बनने में, तो कल के लिए आज ही बना लो.
हाँ, कल के लिए हम आज बना रहे हैं. आज सुबह से हम बना रहे हैं.
आज सुबह से
सवेरे से हम बना रहे हैं.
Okay. So let's go and taste this. There's too much of hard work in this preparation, over 18 hours. So now let's try harissa. So as we saw, the chef informed us that 18 hours the meat is cooked. So this is how it is prepared and served. सर एक प्लेट बता दोगे? सर ये सारे कॉपर के हैं, ये कॉपर है और वो मिट्टी का. दैट्स ये 18 घंटे बनता है राइट? ये 18 घंटे बनता है. एंड इसमें ये मसाला डलेगा. वो क्या था सर? रिफाइंड. So basically you have to have this with Kashmiri naan. Kashmiri naan यहाँ पे already रहता है. And then this is what we saw how the preparation is done. So I'm following Rafiq ji. So as per him you have to break this. Okay, ये break किया and then you have to mix this all. अब ठीक हो गया रफीक जी, आप खा सकते हैं. नाउ आई विल ट्राई. बोलते ना मेहनत रंग लाती है, वो ये है. 18 hours when you cook that meat, flavors and all they come out really well. If you are in Kashmir, this is definitely not to be missed. Definitely not to be missed. Thank you Rafiq ji, आपने हमको यहाँ पे लाया. So after that awesome harissa meal, we are here at Shahji Emporium. We are on Shahji & Co.'s first floor, and look at this beautiful bed. Okay, this thing, I don't know if you can see the entire thing. This cost for 7.5 lakhs. This entire thing is made of rosewood. Here there are more walnut wood. Here you have some. Oh, this chair looks interesting over here. Handmade chair. Dresses. So some shopping done from here. So now we have come to Dal Lake to do a proper shikara ride. The ride which we did at Nigin was also a good shikara ride, but here you know, since it's more commercial, more touristy, you have got more spots to cover. Like if you have a larger floating garden area, right now you won't find anything in that floating garden, but yes, it is a larger size. You have Maharaja's resting place, or you know, some holiday home over here. Then you have an water skating point over here. Then you also have the floating markets over here. So all of those things you may not find it in Nigin Lake, but yes, you have that in Dal. So we thought, okay, let's do a Dal Lake Shikara ride. The costing for this, after some sort of a negotiation for all the points, and you know, the boat is at your leisure, we got it for 1,800 bucks. So that's Sharanya there. Yeah, now we have a closer shot of Sharanya. So yeah, such things you should definitely try. So Sharanya का photo shoot हो गया है. So yeah, the experience is quite pleasant with this view. You know, looks amazing over here. So now we have come here to this small floating cafe. इसका नाम है Give and Take, and some fresh flowers, Kashmiri fresh flowers, and only these ones are not real. So now we have reached Meena Bazaar. Interesting scenes here. Again, you can have something here. There are some kebab shops. Too many things you can shop for. There you can see kapde khareedne hai, shawls khareedne hai. So for that there are shops over there. Here again you have some Kashmiri dry fruit shop. When you take your Shikara boat ride, this is one of those points, and you can just stop your boat over here for some time. Some nice little garden in middle of the lake. बस यहाँ पे उतरो, फोटो खींचो, just देखो. You have like a very good view again of the mountains over here and the lake. Yeah, it's a nice vibe. So our Shikara ride is coming to an end. काफ़ी photos खींचे हमने, and this view is so awesome. पता नहीं, I have said this many a times, क्या view है, but yes, you just can't get enough of this beauty. So also the temperature is low, but it's quite pleasant. यानी आप एक jacket पहन लोगे तो you know you can still enjoy it easily. This is what I am experiencing, the majestic snow-clad mountains in Kashmir. It's a very pretty pathway. So बस चल रहे हम. To the left we have the famous Dal Lake. There you can see एक अकेली शिकारा जा रही है. And then over there you can see those mountains again. Yep. So quite pretty scenes here in Srinagar. Wasn't expecting, because yes, this place has evolved quite a bit, and it goes beyond mountains, Dal Lake, and your local Kashmiri cuisine. So they have a quite expansive menu as well, like decent, like well set menu. You have burgers, you have waffles, you have pancakes, pizzas, and yes, finally we are having a good cup of cappuccino over here. So wherever we were traveling, the hotels and all, they were serving cappuccino. Finally we are getting Ado. That's a well-brewed cappuccino. So yes, as I said, if you are in Srinagar and if you have some time at hand, you can definitely try this place out once. It has got a cool vibe. So chilly evening if you want to spend and have some chilled out food, some nice coffee, this is the place you can. This is a very, very special gesture by Rafiq ji. He has been with us throughout our journey in Kashmir, and has taken us to all the beautiful places. We'll be having dinner with his entire family. If you see Sharanya, she's wearing traditional Kashmiri farran, and she also was holding kangdi for a bit, and I don't know, like you say, certain experiences what you can't buy. This is that part, and I'm so happy that in this journey we were able to connect with someone like Rafiq, and his family will be having dinner with us, and I'll definitely take you through आज क्या क्या खाने में है, and this is very home away from home kind of a feeling.
कोई इतना ठंडा लग रहा है, लग रहा है कि गर्म है.
बस तो यहाँ पे है, ये है राइस, और ये क्या है?
ये कबाब
है.
कीमा कबाब.
और ये रिश्ता है,
ये
गोश्ताबा है, ये रिश्ता है.
कुश्ताबा
और रोगन जोश.
ओके. और ये
इसमें पानी है.
अच्छा. और ये सारे कॉपर के बर्तन है.
ये कॉपर के, हमारे ज्यादा कॉपर का यूज होता है.
रेगुलर भी खाने के लिए.
हाँ.
और वो उसका पहले राइम सुनाना. राइम नहीं, ये मैडम को नहीं दिखाएगा, ये मैडम को नहीं दिखाएगा.
तो फिर खुद दिखा रहा है.
हाँ.
दिखा रहा है. आप उसको राइम सुनो पहले.
एक राइम बता दो.
शाबाश.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Sugar, no, Papa. Tangerine, no, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha.
वेरी गुड.
कर बम्बे वो अस्सीना बे पूरे तो हमें निकला धागा. छोटी बीबी बैठी थी, जुड़ा करके बैठी थी. गरम कॉफी गरम पीने वाला बेचारा.
अरे
अब देखते हैं.
ओके.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M O P Q R S T U W X Y Z.
वेरी गुड.
अब देखते हैं.
19.
90.
फिर 20. Last night was by far the best night for us. We had a very, very great time having dinner with locals, understanding, being a part of their family for some time, having the traditional Bhazwan food, and the taste. It was so superlative. Best moments of Kashmir we had last night. Today we are off to Bangalore. It was a very short trip, but next time we'll definitely come to Kashmir and probably choose Kashmiri summers to tour around, and nothing else, guys. Please keep supporting us. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please do comment and share your comments, because that is something what will help us grow and come up with better content every now and then. Until then, see you.